Tipco has been providing companies with high-quality and innovative precision tooling products for over 60 years. Now, you can find and download free CAD models of those products right on the Tipco website. From the homepage, hover over Products. For this example, we'll choose Tipco's head-type punches. On the product page, scroll down and click the button to go to the configurator. Within the window, choose the head type that fits your application needs. Here, you can customize the product using the options on the left by using the drop-down options and scales. Meanwhile, the configurator generates a 3D image that matches your design specs, which you can rotate, pan, and zoom within the 3D viewer. The configurator also generates an accurate part number that reflects your custom part. Next, click the CAD Download tab. Click the Settings icon next to Generate CAD, and then click Add Formats. Choose from over 150 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works natively in your CAD software. You can also download a 3D PDF datasheet, which includes a 3D viewer, technical drawings, and a bill of materials. This is great for those who need access to the product data, but don't need a large CAD file. Finally, click Start Generation. Once the file has loaded, click Download. For more CAD models of the punch and die products you need, go to tipcopunch.com and visit partsolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.